कैसे हैं आप सब? Welcome back to this channel. I am Mubaraka and I'm super excited for today's video. I will be creating this festive makeup look जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा simple है but at the same time it is very versatile जो आप कोई भी Indian outfits के साथ pair कर सकते हो. तो चलो let's begin.
For the base, I am using the Daily Wear Liquid Mousse Foundation in the shade Almond. It has a very lightweight, moussey texture and it instantly blurs out the pores, giving a very flawless finish. Using two different shades of this concealer, Walnut and Peanut, to color correct as well as conceal my dark circles, and later on setting it in place using the Longwear Compact, which is in the shade 07 Biscuit. Tapping my lips with the Sugar Pop Lip Balm for the lipstick that's gonna come later. Now it's time to add some color back to my face. I'm using the Sugar Pop blush in the shade 01 Rose. And now it's time for my favorite part, to do my eyes. Well, this eyeshadow palette has such beautiful shades and the color payoff is really amazing. Also, with the selection of shades in this palette, you can do so many versatile eye looks. The mattes, the shimmers, everything in this palette is simply amazing. To complete this eye look, I have used the Longwear Kajal in the shade Black and the Voluminizing Mascara. Using the Velvet Matte Lip Liner to line my lips in the shade Beige Vibes and mixing two different lip shades from their range to get this
and that completes my look. I really hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you don't want to miss on such amazing makeup videos, make sure to subscribe to this channel and I shall see you next time. Bye.